In this video, we're going to talk about Palantir, and we are at the beginnings of earnings season. And according to Wedbush's analyst Dan Ives, Palantir may be a stock that you want to pay attention to. Just quickly scrolling down to the daily chart, we can see that they have earnings on August 5th, so that's roughly 2 to 3 weeks from now. However, I do want to look at the weekly time frame, as price loves to gravitate to certain price levels. In this case, we had a big support resistance band at $20. We had a spike higher. More than likely, this was on earnings. This move higher was exhausted. You had sellers stepping in. You had buyers taking profits. That ultimately pushed price back down to this, again, support resistance band, only to see buyers push price higher and eventually close above a key level at $26. And now we have price testing this $30 level. Now the question is price going to sell off on earnings in a couple of weeks, or is this price point at $30 going to be breached? Only time will tell, but I do want to get into some of the content of this article. It is coming from Investor Place. So as red hot as the AI market is, Wall Street is still cautious about some companies. The best example is Palantir. Despite its 66% year-to-date gains over the past year and dynamic reach across many facets of the tech sector, it has still garnered undeniably mixed sentiment from analysts. Now, while Wedbush Securities sees high growth ahead for other stocks, its other tech favorites trade at much higher levels than Palantir stock. This could make the company highly appealing to investors seeking new AI plays. Now, Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, known for his tech sector expertise, recently issued a note on his predictions for the tech sector. He's typically always on CNBC talking about the Magnificent Seven, in particular Tesla. Palantir stands out on that list as not being among the Magnificent Seven, but Ives clearly sees potential in it. He states the following: "We believe Q2 earnings will be a major positive catalyst for the tech sector and expect tech stocks to be up another 15% for the year, adding to the robust tech gains in the first half of this year, as now the broader tech growth story takes center stage, led by software, cybersecurity, digital advertising, and semis." Now, an analyst also highlights the importance of the AI revolution, noting that both show cloud deployments and enterprise AI spending are tracking nicely ahead of Street's expectations. Now, even after this excellent past 2 quarters, Palantir stock still trades at less than $30 per share. Again, that's that resistance level under current price. That's substantially lower than most of the dominant AI peers, which will likely make it a tempting play for investors looking to gain exposure to the booming market. Now that Ives has flagged it as a probable Q2 winner, Palantir stock is likely to rise even more over the coming weeks, while most people will likely be watching the sector's more prominent names. Smart investors will keep at least one eye on this fast-growing AI standout. And so, again, the question is price going to continue to rise into earnings? That could be dangerous, because we could see a buy the rumor then sell the news. However, here's what I'm predicting next. We do breach it, we retest that level, and then we move higher. And eventually, look for price to test all-time highs, but this will be the next logical target at $40. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.